The purpose of this video is to demonstrate the transcranial direct current stimulation protocol that is used for memory enhancement. The protocol has been well evaluated in healthy participant studies and is applicable to aging and dementia research as well. Memory plays a vital role in everyday functioning as it enables us to remember information about people and places, recall past events, learn new facts and skills, as well as to make judgments and decisions. Here, we focus on working and associative memory. Working memory is the ability to temporarily maintain and store information for ongoing cognitive processing, such as problem solving or reasoning. Associative memory, on the other hand, enables us to remember multiple pieces of experience or information bound together. These two types of memory underline almost all our daily activities. Unfortunately, memory abilities are amongst the most vulnerable functions as they decline with normal aging as well as due to various pathological states and conditions. This is why there is a growing need for novel approaches to prevention and treatment of memory decline.
Transcranial direct current stimulation, tDCS for short, is a non-invasive brain stimulation technique that uses weak electrical currents to modulate brain activity. The effects of tDCS are polarity dependent. That is, anodal stimulation increases while cathodal decreases neuronal excitability. Therefore, anodal tDCS is expected to promote cognitive functions which rely on targeted brain regions. tDCS is safe, highly tolerable, cost-effective, and easy to use.
The main challenges for using tDCS are finding the optimal electrode montage and stimulation protocol that will produce reliable effects. To modulate memory, we need to affect the activity within cortico-hippocampal network. So the anode is placed either over dorsolateral prefrontal cortex